guys, welcome back to a brand new video on my channel. I'm going to quickly begin this video, so before we get started, go ahead and subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and it is Josue's birthday. Like, enjoy the video. First, masks on, and here's my outfit. Gotta match the aesthetic. Honestly, I don't think I would like to live here because, like, I feel like people are always here, you know, like outside your house.
Yeah.
I don't know. So we're gonna go down here to take some pictures. The what? Oh, little shops?
Those are like little shops,
Ooh.
I think. And these are like hoteles.
Oh, okay. Say hello. We're gonna go take pictures of the colorful buildings. So we just took some pictures here for my Instagram. And we're gonna go look for our moms because I have no idea where.
Nos fueron.
I know where they went.
I dressed Starbucks on my Vans, on my dirty Vans, so we're good.
Like they match. Okay, now we have to go look for them.
They really listened.
They really did.
Tell me why it looks so relaxed.
Next spot, Santa Cruz. Santa Cruz, is it?
Lo dejaré aquí sí, porque no se pierda,
Yeah,
¿no?
or put it. Yeah, why not? I'm just going to. I don't know if I'm gonna change. Am I gonna change?
If you want.
I think I'm
Low
gonna
key, I wanted to change
I'm gonna
too,
change into
but-
like a dress. So we're back in Marseille. You can't tell right now. I don't know why. What happened to all the ash, but it was so ashy. So we're gonna go take it to the car wash. I heard it was like really bad. My cousins were telling me. And then we got here and it was like so ashy also last night.
Yeah.
It was so bad. But we're gonna head to the car wash now.
One, two, three. Eso es todo.
Fátima le puso copetito aquí con su pelo. La secretaria regaló.
Diola el video.
No, una, dos. Ahí está. Niños, ahí va la mano. Una, cheese.
Ay, qué bonito.
Ay, qué bonito.
Pónganse ustedes así.
No, hombre.
Dámale.
Tú aviéntale la pinche barriga por delante.
Wow, si sabes grabar, Rodrigo.
Mamá, tú.
That's how the cake ended.
I grabbed it and it just took off.
I just saw Chris running down the street.
Sí, ¿verdad?
So Rodrigo's gonna record Josue's birthday cake singing. So here we go.
Estas son
Son las mañanitas que cantaba el rey David. Hoy por ser
de Josué se las mandamos
a ti. Despierta
tu huevo de mira que ya amaneció.